9.9 is for Paga. 9.9
No,
Paga.
9.19, last one.
This one, right?
Yeah.
So this is valve, right?
Yeah, converting HOV to MOVs.
MO, yes, that I have
How
told.
many, what is the size of that valve?
6 inch.
6 inch, that is main crude oil, huh?
Yes.
Well,
See,
It's not a crude oil. It's a drain. It's a drain point. It could be
Drain.
each and everything.
Okay. This oil drain collection system, okay.
okay, good. So what I have done, just I want to say, I'm repeating the same threads here. Maybe internal corrosion, drop object, occasional, vehicle impact, overpressure I have taken, flange leakage because you are changing the wall, erosion will be there, external corrosion will be there, and internal corrosion will be there. So I'm keeping all threads here.
And the last actually, Chairman 1.6.2, AIT oil in water analyzer, comma, HOV to MOV don't combine. We'll add, what is the description of that one? ODC pump discharge line diversion.
That's very good.
Yeah,
That's
so
good.
that
Because
team
we're not
will be
confused.
aware. Yeah. Then the brackets you can put HOV to MOV.
HOV
To MOV conversion. 6 inch for oil drain vessel. That's what?
in oil line.
An oil drain collection vessel, yeah. Okay.
Fantastic, very good. So guys, I am keeping the same thread and the same risk ranking and same preventive measures, MOC selection, routine inspection, crash guard, gasket selection, painting in place, and HAZOP review. Of course, we are going to HAZOP review. And I'm keeping the same mitigation because we are in the same facility, so same mitigation will be applicable.
Yeah. Put the same everything, yes.
Yeah. So good guys, so this is good that we have also covered hydrocarbon part.
And
I think
one thing actually, not sorry, Chairman, sorry to disturb you. See, ILF team, see, don't send invitations at 8 o'clock, okay? Send it at 8:30. Because I see many of the invitations at 8 o'clock because, it will take reaches by 8. So, reschedule all the invites to 8:30, which are starting from 8.
Yeah.
Because just now I received one of the invitation, okay?
So Suresh and team, please
Hanan
take
is
care of
there?
this.
Hanan, someone?
Sorry,
okay,
Rakesh?
sir. Okay, sir. We will inform the project team to